Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add products on your Shopify website. So once you're on your admin dashboard right here, you'd want to pay attention on the left-hand side here, and you'd want to press on products. Here, you'll see products that's already active on your store or already added. You can also see some draft or archived one there, but you just go here, add product. You can import a product if you have a CSV file of it, but for this example, I'm going to add a new product manually. And here you'll be on the UI of an add product. And the title, well, let's name it something. We're going to name this pants. And the description is, it's a really good pan. Make sure to name it something that actually makes sense when you're actually making a product. And the media, it will be in the picture of the products. So in here, I'm just going to add an example. I'm just going to type in pants and I'm going to add in this one. I'm going to screenshot it. And from here, you're just going to press upload new. I'm going to add in my products right there. Here, you'll change the price. The price, I'm just going to put it at like 9,000. The cost per item, make sure to fill that in. So if you're selling it for 90,000, maybe the production cost is around 5,000, 50,000. It'll give you the profit and it'll give you the margin of it as well. You can also track the quantity. The shop location, make sure to fill that out as well. Continue selling when out of stock, or this product has an SU or barcode. If you check this, it'll add in a new like UI elements that you can fill in, like the barcode or an SKU. Make sure to ship as well. If it's not a physical product, maybe it's like a online book or a PDF, uncheck this, but this is a physical product and the weight is maybe around 0.5. You can also add custom information if you'd like. Maybe select the region it came from, harmonize system code if you have that, but I don't have that, so I'm just going to leave that blank. You can also add a variant. Maybe the pants come in white or they only come in black. For my case, the pants only came in black, so I'm just going to leave that blank. You can also add size, fabric, age group, clothing feature, fits, pants, target gender, waist size. And on the down here, you'll see this search engine listing, which is just pants. After you're happy with all of this, just press save. And if we go back on products, you'll see that our product is now added. So it's as easy as that.